This old guy DIY video has to do with the unboxing of a Milliard bedding trifold mattress. 52 by 73 inches by 4 inches thick. So a buddy of mine that's into overlanding said everything he read said this mattress from Amazon is the ticket. So we're about to open this thing up, put it in the back of his vehicle. So this is the way it arrives. It's in a box about 10 inches square and 54 inches tall. So here we go. This is what the mattress looks like out of the cardboard. Now all we do is take a knife, slice the length of this thing. I think it's just going to expand. So this thing is like a little vacuum packed burrito. So we got the initial outside plastic cut. Now we're going to cut the plastic here. That should allow air in, and there we go. Now this thing is 52 inches wide and the platform is 48 inches wide. It said it takes 48 hours for it to expand to its final dimension, so we just stuck it in there like the St. Louis Arch.